There is two things that I know unequivocally. One, women love to be chased by a man they're interested in. And two, men love the sense of excitement and the idea of fun by an amazing woman. So in today's video, we're going to accomplish both of those with 5 fun ways to make a man chase you authentically. Hey guys, I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach, here to help the people I love fall in love. If you want to fall in love with yourself, fall in love with a partner, find a partner, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be putting out videos 3 times a week to try to help you with that endeavor. So today's topic, let's hop right into it. Number 1 is ask them things you want to know and then accept them. And this will cause them to chase you. Let me give you an example. Let me explain why this is so important. So let's say you're on a date and you want to know his attachment style. And a lot of you folks know what that is, but it's the 3 attachment styles are anxious, avoidant, and secure. Ideally, you want someone who's secure. But this is interesting to a lot of women because this is going to tell you kind of how this guy behaves and how he's going to react to how you do things. So if you're interested in this answer, you ask him for it. And then no matter what the answer is, you accept that he's telling you his truth. Now, why this is so attractive is because men typically get shamed or they're accused of being weak when they are vulnerable with who or what they are. So if you are an amazing woman, you accept what he is telling you and you boost him up for telling you. Now, if you know you never, ever, ever want to date an avoidant man and he says he's avoidant, by all means, you don't have to go on another date with him if it's not right for you. But you still can accept what he's telling you and appreciate him for being authentic. And he's going to feel that. And other women just kind of maybe pushed him away because of that. And so this is going to cause him to want to be around you, want to chase you because you're accepting him. Number 2, this one is so fun. It is, if you play your cards right, you will get. And let me give you some examples. If you play your cards right, you'll get a kiss. If you play your cards right, you'll get to meet my friends. If you play your cards right, you'll get to meet my dog. If you play your cards right, you'll get to come to my house. It becomes a game. And men are competitive and they want to win. And so if he likes you, he's going to want to be a part of this game. If he doesn't like you, he's going to have no time, no patience for this game. So if you see him getting very, very aggravated, it's because he's not that into you. So this works great. The guy that is all about you is going to be like, this is fun. I'm going to chase her. I want to play my cards right so I get these rewards. The guy who's not into you, whoop, he's out of here. All right, number 3 is the RAW. RAW. I had to make an acronym that you can remember. It's RA. It's receiving and appreciating. So this is so vital in the early stages of dating. I love when women go on dates. And you know what they do at the end of the date? If it's true and it's authentic, they go, wow, I'm having a great time with you. I hope I get to see you again. And they end the date. And now what they do after the date is absolutely nothing. No texting, no calling, no emailing. They just live their lives. It's not a game. They're just living their lives. And now they get to RAW. They get to receive and appreciate. This is vital. Our man is a hunter. And you are a receiver and an appreciator. Hurrah! So what happens is, if he likes you, he goes to you, hey, I'd love to take you hiking. Hey, I want to do this with you. What are you doing Wednesday night? I want to take you to dinner. So now you are receiving. And now you appreciate. Wednesday, wow, I love that restaurant you picked out. That would be phenomenal. You're so great. So receiving, appreciating. Now, a lot of you women, what will happen is his date won't be what you're looking for. That's okay. We can still appreciate him. Be like, wow, I would love to see you again. It would be so great if we could do this. Or you'd make me so happy if we could do this. And then when he picks something that is that, you go, whoa, I love that you picked that spot. Or I love that you picked that hike. Like maybe he picked a hike you don't like this is your 5th date. You feel safe to hike with him. Obviously, normally in the early stages, we do public places. But 5th hike, he picked like super advanced, like 20-mile hike. I'm not doing 20 miles. Something a little shorter would be so amazing. It'd be so great to, focus on getting to know each other instead of worrying about, did we bring enough food and water to not die on this hike? You'd make me so happy if you could, pick like a medium or an easy on all trails. Number 4 is being grateful. Examples would be, we're so lucky to be out to dinner. We're so lucky to have money. We're so lucky for this warm weather. I'm lucky to be out with a great guy. This shows how happy you are and realize how good we have it. So he's looking for a woman that has this sense of gratitude and this sense of happiness so that he knows she's already there, so he won't have to bring her to there. So when he knows that you're happy, he's going to want to chase you because you've got this amazing life that he wants to be a part of. All right, number 5 is know your worth. And so some of the easy ways to embody this and say it to him is, you are so great, but I need X. This is so powerful because he knows he's doing well, but you're saying he can do better. So you're not bringing him down. You're leaving him here, but then send the bar higher. And the man that's competitive and the man that wants you and craves you and wants to chase you is once again going to step up to the plate and pursue you and get up to that standard. And once again, the man that doesn't want to step up is going to exit stage left. All right, team, let's review those 5 real fast. Number 1 is ask him things you want to know. Number 2, if you play your cards right, you will get. Number 3, receiving and appreciating. Number 4 is being grateful. And number 5 is knowing your worth. And Sam, do me a favor, hook them up with a free gift on the wheel of random free gifts. And team, thank you for watching. We will see you next video. And if you'd like to keep watching more content, we'll put a video up there and there. Thank you.